to add a language course in Duolingo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Duolingo. Make sure you're logged into your account. Here, as you can see, in my case, it's Brazilian language. Now, you can click on the flag at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find course at the top. Click on course at the top. And now select the language you want to add. You can scroll through it, you'll find different languages. Select the language you want and press on continue. After you do that, you will need to fill out this: I am new, know some common word, and press on continue. You can do all this process and the language will be added in your Duolingo. This is how to add a language course in Duolingo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.